Makeup ta chu khamdai a pauping Arambai tingko na kagthong alungni tambak legislator ping khoka kasa pungshok haira Podak le sami kwai center shokali zimjo trada pangatang mi haira Jurajan Bui mi Assam Rifles Chawan Aka Khalata Kapta Haira. Ot Ruma Pinila Kapta Personnel through Sazahaira. Manipur Tambakli Armed Force Special Power Act Hamilushit Kawai, Kugi Emily Sarana Union Minister Lipo Haira. Lekya ngator aja datang hor especially bau jingchuan HA shime ina ba mitale bau bi mesai na nangnumsa tambak wi lawmakers pin khoka sada manipur ngakra gachi aya aramba tengol wi kazip ling ngabau haira CM MLAs pin jangda aya kangla li kapam kazip chili khangajek maram aramba tengol kathana karongan bana yaruli kahang kugi lawmakers tharana khoka sada nganing dale khamaite lawmakers wi khoka kasap malai thuada kangla kazip chili athuni khoka kasa kwai khanghotna Karongan bana kahang atuna boda khlai khamataya maram truk gugi militan ni khamaya khlai suspension of operation abrogate kasa National Register of Citizens NRC 1951 base year sada implement kasa Manipur ngaleli Assam Rifles malai khangasak border ngawai kapin gugi with Central Tribe Status Kuti Kami Myanmaris ngayin khita khlai Saikor Mizoram ni Johokava hipingi bohaira Ayawi gazip chili gazang minganing Ping Chief Minister Andren Singh Zangdana Boda Clay Chili acknowledged Kasa Mangmanina Kamaya Jateda Atum Shoili Misanga the Arambaitan Kolkatana Jina Hanga. CM Kala Legislator Pingwi Shoy Zangda Kaboji Kapit and a central governmently Mivahara da Hanga. Ministry of Home Affairs with Minganing Pingli Kangasanwi Paulami the MHA na suspension of operation Maramli primary focus Miraj Haira da Hanga. Karongan bana kahang lawmakers pina Delhi layer la apam kateli layer da accountability wi aina komlak aina khayam atam ni kanhaira ara atum Manipur wibang ran pulungra aka aina aka mapen nganaula khoka sad central government de atuna pressure mirana da karongan bana hanga Central Shokana Yari Wikapoli Manga Hanka Miaka State with lawmakers na Yari Ning a soda protest such a tape of Kaurokajila Arambaiten Kolkatana Jina Pungshoka Bodakle Psychology Samik Vai Shokalism Shotrada Pangatang Mihaira Jitlay Manipur Bao Zakashili Ngurum Sangda Aya Assam Rifles Chawan Akana Awi Ot Rumba Trukli Naumaya in a Kaplaka Akalata Kapta Haira Ochot Ji Manipur Jingdung Chong Sajik Dambak Assam Rifles Battalion came Nikashokna. Assam Rifles Chawana now make a cup of chochi. Arohan State or Kamarata Kalay, Maramni, Mangasunmana, the Assam Rifles na Hangdalay. AR personnel Songbi by the Hoda Jurajan Pruwi, Mina. Personnel Pachi leave Quida Shimui Aina, Ajahan Tarik Mukudang, Judy Hanka Una Chia. Personnel Jina Nome and a colleges pini Kap Kahai Chili, Akla the Kaplaka Tikainachi. Saza Kahai mi Binji military hospitali Ngahada staple and a later lachia. Ocho Chui investigations at Muhungdale, Kalama Wansa Kahai Jawanji Ningazat mental health issue Lesaka, Lesaka Katakala Pashokavai Sadale, IJ Assam Rifles South BRO and a Kahang Taka. Saza Kahai Binji Manipur mi Mazangmana. Manipur Rot Marata Lehaugada Ocho Chui Aina Paning Nimong Papakachi, Baling a Sak Naimana, Kalashachi, or Kamarat Hili. Mama Sakwi a Sak Naimana Kaja, Jawan Bajinaka Kaptruk, Manipur with me Maning Manada, BRO Chanporjina Hanga. Chanporjina Kahang, Assam Rifles Battalion Jatyu were not wrong Kazanga. Yari aluni Nakaing a Kagachi, Lesala Chingri Anal, then a Sakavai the personnel Pinchina Kokasada or Sayagaji Hansanga. Manipur Tambakli Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA Hamilushit Kavai MLAs Tarana Bohaira Manipur with Chin Kugi Mizo Zomi Hammer MLAs Tarana Union Minister Amit Shani Kabivada Tambakli AFSPA Ring Sakvai Bohaira Kugi MLAs Pinchina Union Home Minister Li Kahang Taka Ajahon Darik Magada Akatang Job Manipur Legislative Assembly with legislators being up. Suspension of operation appropriate Sakavai Kaboji, Kugi Zomi Hammer Representative Mazang Lagasana. SOO application gbo jin mai te makhani MLAs pingwi shoi kazang chila shoi masangai la sakhang sakna ji haira legislator pingna Twitter ka khiji SOO group pingwi aming zakshi khawai kasana da MLA tharajina hangsanga Moreshong State Commando Force ka haile maite personnel jang khangasak kala commando unit alungli maite militant jang khangasak hina Moreli Rokamrat khangasak na da MLA tharajina phen haira State Forces list jang da khalai maite personnel saikura Morei wi aina hushok mi da driver police officer la personnel haimia ka chingri ka haira ra da kugi MLA pingchina hanga Khutlai khangabon kalor kamrat matangla lehawota AFSPA haimida Assam Rifles and Indian Army the full power milu kachila kugi MLA tharajina Amit Chali bohaira ngai ngishna long wi thuma da kashini kokyan khamayon ainang soda mawan sa ka hailu ngamla muinawi kati anniversary moyon haira ngai ngishna long kokyan achagum we tukui preserving women's dignity kachi azini mayonda shinawi khaya khangakli ka gatom chanpo mishok haira Gazip Chili retired Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax retired K. Timothy Zimik Namso Sada Vazanga Naga Army Regis Unit We Commanding Officer MSM M. Leshimi Kala Tangushna Long President Tingrepi Lungharwoshi Anina Kaya Sada Zanga Dana Vice President Jolly Sen Ron Roshim Reina Kamatuni Lingomla Muinawi Krajan He Tengasakta Ana Awikaya Wivang Bingla Aina Kanganing Jishna Katana Bina Yarudi Tengasakluda Satsanga Lingom Lakashan Aina Cha Natet Uwe Ningchut Quick Shop with NSL Vice President Kare Y Il Zamtingla Arshimrena Design Pingchui Maram Pajite Lingom Lana Chikat Mika Highway Amaha Itumwingashan Sarili Kajitewi Kan Kana Maram Hangsanga DSL President Tingrepi Lungharwoshi Kahang Lingom Lana Ali Hemekar Gaji Yang Bang Shaple Ngasunda Awikaya Moral Swivang Nganing Tita Mirin Kajikatna Tangwoshina Bingva Itumi Kurjan Ngashan Sarili Raksanga Gaji Hangda Ririm Aina Raivat Kipashwe Kala Ngayeta Kale Tangwoshina Longna Ngarata Kale Maram Hangsanga Yari we Twitter Kukui on Root Schnausen Diolak and Lefoya Gaji Hangda Tangko Katani Schnausen Minganing Jume Palungra that Tingrepina Kasatsanga Timothy Zimik na Kamatuli Maite we had that Nubila Schnausen na Malunga Ping Malunga Zangji Shakwi Kavai Kasatsanga Chi Ainang Soda Katam Gishu we can Kanala Hangsanga Ego tourism Nikagotom and Soda Bobby Louis Muhut Saffron Katama Talak Ina Muzanga by Louis Vatuluda Timothy Hakasatsanga Itumna Paningu by Indian Security Force na Yansai Kavai Kasali Rukada Lingam Lali 1986 Gum Tarau Tar Imgadam Batitang Kaptat Kahaina Jitaran Lingam Lazingum Tarada Jichet Mangsai Jitang Amanga John Rakpam Kasana Yansang Kavai Kasashipai 25th Matras Regiment Pungier Post Commander Captain Mantir Singh Kalamahar Regiment Ngainga Post Commander Lieutenant Sanjif Tube Anina Lingam Lana Kanguruk Chile Captain Mantir Singh Pistol and Kap Katatna Nganizon Gahai Shino Akawi Ngachilak Kahai Adam Jitaranda Ngara Kashap Ngarada Atit Ainatanga Kayawi Vang Anintit Kajilingam Lawi Ochoji Ajatango Schnausen na Kaping Gabang Kakangling Najan Kwai Sai Ngainga Wikazip China Lingam Lali Paningko Ainang Soda Shinawi Dignity Ngak Kamili Kokakasa Pungshoka Ukru District Taxi Welfare Association Utwana District Administration in Soda Social Work Kangrut Kuhaira Social Work Chi Ayasada Atumna Ukrul Town Wishongfu Ngoko Katarok Semami Hera Yarui Pakavai Ot Nrut Kwikaka Chiri ADC Ukrus Caretaker Chairman Mark A. Luiting Ukru DC Zuring Na Kengo SP Ningshem Vashum Somdai Shaiza Atumla Zanga Social Work Chili Katomi Kahai Utwa Taxi Owner Psychoralit Ningashipong Shoka Voluntary Social Service Committee Utwa President CH Kutingkala RS Genesis Mahong Secretary Utwa Natanda Kasana Chia Sovereign Assam Kurakvai Ningrin Lekasa United Liberation Front of Assam ULFA Zingum Hamudi the Mati Witili Ngatanhaira Itumnate by United Liberation Front of Assam na Central and State Chokarli Memorandum of Settlement Mayakang Rock later Achakum December Kayon Tarik Makada Chuko ng Shoy Sayam Brawl dog ULFA with driver died agreement at the issue ULFA na violence shong bong joho da khut lai sai kura hamsang laga kachang agawi alungli dispense sara kachi maya haira kasana outfit dispense kasa du tak acha hon tang asamwi darang district li ka khina ta outfit chui secretary general secretary anup kitana BDI li hanga chita da sada outfit with tungni sedition cases kalai side korala termi haura the ULFA chairman Arabinda Rajkowana hanga driver died agreement atishura gazat magazat yang sangkawai 7 members monitoring committee semra kachila tuitak tahira kala chili jediana governor sara social culture organization asom jadia bikas mancha dal semra atunangishan aina atui arawi maram yang sangmira jia ULFA chui lai sakura state chokali misang haro chui wang aju kachang hili former ceremony kwikara dalai ULFA independent faction kate akar barash purana thanaga lefu dalai atumna sovereignty man kasari naningti dalai Tamelong Mohur Road NH 37 Wishongfu Kasem 70% Shuka Kupsang Hairo ISTV National Highway Infrastructure Development Company Limited NHIDCL with General Manager SK Rai Nakahang Assam Bak Bakwai Shongfu with Ot Mahopok Rangaka Assam Wishong Ainava Manipur Unkavai Shongfu Tacham and Sabadale Companies Kutum Road Right Development Private Limited, Jadu Construction Private Limited, Gola Krishna Construction Private Limited Pinghina, Tamen Mohur Haplong Shongfu Kasamnizanga. Namdiram Ku Alungli Highway Unkangi Kachi Sahauda Kala Shimdaraka Sazaha Road Baggage 4 with Azinis 740 meters Shuka Shongfu Ot Masabaila Layachi Ot Tak the Kupsang Kawai Maramji District Administration Kala State Chokarna Ingsang Kami Road Right Development Private Limited Manager Adar Singh na Bohaira Semgi Kachi Shongfuji Yari Wang Sada Tak the Kupsang Kawai Yari Wikagodom Mimi Kawaila Hangsanga Manipur with final electoral rolls transgender nauping ni matada mayang sami tuwada Manipur Trans Committee na mamaya kangai pungshokaira. Final electoral rolls attitude Manipur with electoral 20,26,623 kadale chewing a child trans gender meet 239 mangzanga. Machine jit chinao mangmaning by managachi hangda Manipur with trans machine ni yang laga 239 mang electoral rolls likazangji to make car represent sakamina chihaira all Manipur Nubi Manbi Association AMANA we Secretary Trans Activist Sanda Kurai Nakahang Manipur li now trans population 4,000 langa chita sada Manipur Chief Electoral Officer na mikashok electors trans member 2039 kazangchiva mong damana chihaira Researcher writer Lakasar trans activist Chinakahang final roles ni third gender we machine chi thelagak atungak lakhawa State Election Office minganing na hangapat atishuda roles we wang third gender machut ka khwili kasak laya ka corrective measures khwipaya ka chila hangsanga 2020 kum COVID-19 mi mau khara adam chini AMANA na survey salaga trans community members li khangachon committee mi mapung phaka hai trans member Tingmati kada shankuyachi Sandana Gahang electoral rolls li machine Tiome Karakachi Hiarui Ning Panin social stigma Kalewang Kachigata trans member na Kayaktema Pung Kushok La Sasapai Maram Hivang AMANA na State Election Office Ling Shik Laga Pekar Quick Violet Majuktalay Manipuli Matada Mayanga Sang Shokaling Sundabob Republic Te Mamyon Kawai Katam Now Long Binalak Katong Hera Rebel Group La Long Kaikana Ngavaw ka kahayli kagatom katam now long turuk nala India with 75th Republic Te Kamayoni Manipur Musang Kawai Ngavaw Hera MSU MSF DSM GSA Asuk Kala Aims na ngurumda Chanpur Mikashok Republic Te Mamayona Pilan Kazik Kanga Kawai Jishat Hera Dutakje Aru hon with political crisis li yang da kalam Indian state and Manipur state ngakai ngaka ngasak kawai kasaga da nalong pingchina theva da kahangna chi ayen na makamaya nisha lei Bobby Kaling khar ngong yakatek khorum shim sakagazam hikata hiku community organization na kasa phenhaira Manipur Center Security Forces tinghangshini ka da leilala ku community na hiping ni satat fu da leita Brosil Rai Sadak Leila Kachi Kanghan Sahira student organization bingchina kahang kuki zo homeland border clay ningju chik ka phamaning mana ka cha kuki na border clay nation ji ning tiolak ka high exclusion ka sang lay sem khawaina cha haino manipur with territorial integrity masaja by mero border clay separate administration mamya by mero kala manipur hi india we geopolitical kumai we khutlai sada mushijin sak by mero da long bingjina hangsanga that you dace will come die about being Arambai Tingo na Kagtong alumni tambak legislator ping Koka Kasa Pung Shokhaira Bodak Lesami Kwai Center Shokali Zimjotra da Pangatang Mihaira Jurajan Bui mi Assam Rifles Jawan Aga Kalata Kapta Haira Ots Ruma Pingila Kapta Personal to Sazahaira Manipur Tambakli Armed Forces Special Power Act Hamilushit Kawai Kugi Emily Sarana Union Minister Lipo Vahira Ajo we pau hilinga janghira pau nadak lindum sai koroli ringa phagala khamhai chingmi shong sa serano